Hi, good morning. I hope you all are enjoying the online class, isn't it? Students, today we are going to see the lesson 2. The lesson name is The Magical Book. What is the lesson name? The Magical Book. Now we are going to read. Before that, let me see characters. Harish, a little boy. Harish, mother. Amit, Harish, friend. Now let me start. Okay, children? The vacation was coming to an end. The school would reopen in a week. Harish was watching TV when he heard his mother shout from the other room, "Harish, are you ready? The counter closes at 12 o'clock. We have to hurry." Harish hurriedly put on his shoes and shouted back, "Yes, Mom, I am ready. I am waiting for you near the car." Harish and his mother were going to collect his new textbooks and notebooks for class 3 from the school. His friend Amit had already got his books. They were glossy and colorful. Glossy means shiny. Today we are going to see the lesson. In this lesson, we are going to read about a small boy whose name is Harish. What is his name? Harish. Harish is graduated 2nd standard to 3rd standard. There is only 1 week more for the school reopening. Harish was watching TV. His mother called him, "Harish, are you ready? Your school counter closes at 12 o'clock. We must go to the school first." Harish put on his shoes and said, "Yes, Mom, I am standing near the car waiting for you, Mummy." Harish and his mother got ready and they moved to school to get 3rd standard textbook. Amit was Harish's friend. He got the textbooks already and those books are shiny and colorful, so Harish was eager to get his new books.
As soon as Harish got the books from the counter, he leafed through them. The pages were so crisp and neat. On the way back, Mother warned him, "Remember, Harish, you are a big boy now. You must keep these books properly. No tearing pages to make rockets and boats." "No, Mother, this year I will keep my books neat. I won't tear pages, I promise." Harish was good at studies. He played basketball well, but he had one bad habit. He treated his books badly. He would tear their pages, touch them with dirty hands, throw them around, and often misplace them. His parents and teachers scolded him several times for this, but he did not listen. His mother hoped that at least this year he would be more careful.
Harish got books from the school counter. Do you know? That was very crispy and beautiful. Then his mother said that you should take care of your books and notebooks. Now you are a big boy. Then Harish replied, "Yes, Mom, I am a big boy and I promise you that I will take care of my books and notebooks." Harish was a basketball player and he was very good at studies, but he had one bad habit, that is, he won't keep the books properly. Do you know, children, what is meant by good habit, bad habit? Yes, habits are two types. One is good habit, another one is bad habit. Good habits are you always obey your elders, you should take care of your health, brush twice a day daily, You have to maintain your books, notebooks, bags and stationeries neatly. Bad habits are you are not give respect for elders, you are not keeping the book and notebook neatly. These are some bad habits. But I know dears, you are very good at school, at home. I hope you are very good children, isn't it? Harish won't keep the books properly. He used to tear the pages, touch them with ugly hands, throwing the papers around, and often he used to miss the books. Harish's parents and teachers scolded him so many times, but he did not listen their words. His mother warned him to be careful at least this year. The school reopened and classes began. Harish proudly carried his new books to school. But just 2 months into the school term, all the books were looking different. The English notebook had no cover. Mathematics had many pages missing. The Hindi textbook was torn. Harish's mother got angry seeing the pathetic shape of his books. She decided to teach him a lesson. She went to see Harish's English teacher, Mrs. Jaya, and they thought of a plan. Harish promised his mother that is this year he will keep all his books properly. After the school reopened, Harish felt proudly to keep all the books in his bag. But after 2 months, it's very pathetic. Do you know the meaning of pathetic? Pathetic means very bad condition. Do you know what happened? Yes, dears, you are right. He tore the English notebook cover and he missed many pages in his maths book. Hindi book was torn. So, Harish's mother got angry. You also doing like this, dears? No. I know. Never you did like this. You are very good. Harish's mother decided to teach lesson for Harish. So, she talked with English teacher Mrs. Jaya. They planned to change Harish. On Monday morning, Harish was getting ready for school. Mother, did you see my English notebook? I have a test today. No, Harish, I am sure it's somewhere there. Have you checked inside your bag and the shelf? In Monday morning, Harish was getting ready to go school. He asked his mother, did you see my English notebook? I have a test today. His mother said she doesn't know and asked him to check in his bag and shelf. But Harish searched all the place. What happened? He didn't get it back. At the time, his mother came and said with smile that he is getting too late and she also getting late for office. Oh mom, I can't find it anywhere. Mrs. Jaya is going to scold me today. Well, it's time to leave. Your bus is here already. I'm also getting late for office, said mother, smiling to herself. She knew Mrs. Jaya would take care of the rest. Later in the class, Mrs. Jaya asked the pupils to take out their English notebooks. She handed out the question paper and ordered them to answer the questions. While the other children were busy preparing to write, Harish sat starting ahead with tears in his eyes. Harish, where is your notebook? Why are not you writing the answer? Ma'am, I have lost my notebook. Later in the classroom, Mrs. Jaya, his English teacher, gave English test for all the students. So all his friends were busy for preparation to write answer. But Harish started crying. Then teacher asked Harish, "Why Harish? Where is your notebook? Are you not writing the answer?" Harish replied that he lost his notebook.
Oh, really? I'm not surprised. In fact, last night I had a dream. Many books were shouting and complaining about the cruel little children who hurt them. They had decided to hide themselves from the little villains. I think my dream is coming true. Harish, how would you like it if someone pulled your nose, hands, ears, or legs? Wouldn't it hurt? Your books feel the same when you tear them.
But the teacher not surprised because at last night she had a dream. In the dream, many books were shouting and complaining about the cruel children who hurt them. So they decided to hide themselves from the children. Teacher advised to Harish, if someone pulled your nose, hand, ears or legs means you can get pain no? Like that these books all feel the same when you tear it. Harish thought that his mother, father, grandfather getting angry because of his bad habit.
Harish thought for a few moments. His mother, father, and grandparents were always angry with him for this single bad habit of his. He said, crying, "Ma'am, please give me one last chance. I promise I will be careful with my books." Mrs. Jaya said, "Go home and check your bookshelf. I am sure your notebook would have come back there. Take today's test in your rough notebook. Remember, don't ever tear pages from your books or keep them dirty." Harish had learnt his lesson. Harish was surprised when he reached home. The English notebook was right there on the shelf. How did he miss it in the morning? Had Mrs. Jaya's dream come true?
Harish asked excuse from his teacher. "Please give me one chance, ma'am. I promise you, hereafter I will be never did like this." The teacher replied, "Ask to write the test in rough note and go to home. Check again properly in yourself." Harish was surprised when he reached the home. Why he was surprised? Because he got his English test note from his self. Okay children, do you enjoy the story? You have keep the books and notebooks safely. Thank you.